The wood is moved automatically to the cutting line. At this stage, the matchstick heads are coated with an ignition compound using a controlled dipping system.
The coated sticks are dried under controlled conditions.
This is where marble begins.
Another cut follows.
The process begins with the arrival of raw wooden material.
These logs are stored and prepared for processing.
The wood is moved automatically to the cutting line. Large logs are cut into flat wooden sections.
Precision cutting ensures uniform thickness.
These planks move forward for further processing. The planks are divided into narrow wooden strips. This step creates the basic matchstick shape. The strips are aligned for final shaping. Each strip is trimmed to exact length. At this stage, each stick is shaped to its final form. At this stage, the matchstick heads are coated with an ignition compound using a controlled dipping system. The shaped sticks are aligned for coating.
This coating allows the match to ignite when struck.
Excess material drains off evenly.
The coated sticks are dried under controlled conditions. Careful drying ensures stability and safety.
Once dry, the matches are ready for packaging. The finished matchsticks are placed directly into boxes by an automated system.
The boxes are sealed and prepared for packing. This is how matchsticks are manufactured at industrial scale. This stone is worth thousands, but it doesn't look like it. At first, it looks completely useless.
This is where marble begins. Positioning is critical. Positioning is critical. The first cut reveals what's inside. The cut moves deeper into the stone. Perfect marble is hidden inside. The stone begins to take shape.
Another cut follows.
Each cut brings precision. The cut goes all the way through. The first slab starts to separate.
This slab comes from the same stone.
Nothing is wasted. The process repeats again and again. The process repeats. Each slab reveals the same pattern.
One stone becomes many slabs.
Precision never stops.
All from a single stone. The final cut is complete.
Positioning is critical.